Ring doorbell in his pocket.
Hold on. That's probably the...
Officers, I don't know if you can hear me. I'm talking through the Ring camera.
Oh, what's up?
Yeah, they stole the Ring. He stole the Ring cameras. He has no permission to be there. Apparently, he ripped that off the front door.
All right, and it was mounted, and there was nobody that could come here to.
I'm sorry.
Take that away from here.
Ask him if he'll give us a code. We caught him as he was getting ready to leave the property.
Right.
He says that
he has no permission to be there. We did not hire him. We heard him on the camera saying he was hired to do electrical work and he was let in. None of that is true. He has no permission to be there. And this
we'll go clear it real quick and then.
Here, I'll be right back, Ron. Okay.
All right. Thanks.
Bullhead City Police Department.
There's also another Ring doorbell camera that's missing.
He has one in the car.
There's one in the car.
Didn't he have that one in his pocket?
This one's in his pocket. The one that he's talking to me through.
Yeah. They don't make them smart. That's why we catch them.
So
we're going to have detectives get a hold of you about getting that video. Okay?
Okay.
And then, like I said, that's going to be a slam dunk. I mean, I'm going to be honest with you, this is kind of the first time I've had someone, we do this via Ring. Okay.
Sure.
You have a picture of it, too, so if the county...
He cut off, but I'm back.
We got a picture of it. Do it.
Hey, Ron, do you know how to turn these off?
I don't know if you can. No, I don't actually. Probably just when the battery dies.
All right.
He's going to get to see the inside of our evidence locker.
No.
All right, Ron. Thank you. You have a good day, okay?
All right. Thank you, Hancock. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.